Stop! Most students are about to throw hundreds of dollars into the wrong MacBook M5. Do you really need the Pro, or is the base already enough? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the truth nobody tells you. No boring specs, just real student survival tips. Wait, the #1 mistake students make will shock you in 3 seconds. Every student is panicking. They're asking, I code, will the base survive? Or, I edit videos, Pro or base? Even, I just take notes? Is this overkill? YouTube shows boring graphs and nerdy specs, but nobody explains the real-world student scenario. Here's where most students get it wrong and waste hundreds. Both M5 Base and M5 Pro are powerful machines, but here's the punch. The Pro is faster in heavy tasks. The Pro offers smoother long sessions. The Pro delivers stronger graphics. Sounds like always go Pro? Not for every student. Let me show why. You might be paying for performance you'll never use. Wait till scenario 3. Both laptops look stunning, feel premium, and travel light. For daily classes, notes, and YouTube, the base is already more than enough. If you have a desk set up with multiple monitors and need more ports, the Pro can make sense. But design isn't the real difference. Performance is where the game is won. Most students skip this step and regret it later. If you're running VS Code, Android Studio, 15 Chrome tabs, Docker, and Zoom simultaneously, the base with 8 GB will struggle. For serious coding, the Pro with 16 GB RAM is the long-term survivor. It handles complex compilations and multiple development environments without breaking a sweat. Here's where base students crash and Pro students dominate. For Photoshop, Figma, Premiere 4K, and 3D previews, the Pro stays smooth. The base, however, starts lagging under these heavy loads. Basic edits? The base can survive. But if you want to grow your skills and tackle professional projects, the Pro is your future-proof weapon. It ensures your creative flow isn't interrupted by stuttering performance. Wait till you see scenario 3. This is where base truly shines. For notes, Chrome, YouTube, Netflix, and Canva, the base is an absolute beast. It handles all these tasks effortlessly, providing a seamless experience. Choosing the Pro here? That's a total waste. It's money down the drain for performance you simply won't utilize. Don't overpay for performance you'll never touch. Let's break it down fast. The base is cheaper, handles light to medium tasks, and offers great battery life. Its cons are limits in heavy multitasking and 8 GB being short-term for demanding applications. The Pro is ideal for heavy coding, 4K editing, and is truly future-proof. Its cons are that it's expensive and overkill for light users. You need to see which side of this table you belong. Serious coding? Go for the Pro with 16 GB. Editing or design work? The Pro is your best bet. Normal student with everyday tasks? The base saves you money without compromise. This is the exact step most students skip. Don't be them. If this saved you money or confusion, subscribe to Techie Hub. Hit the bell and comment. Which M5 should I get? I read every comment.